Hey, happy Sunday, everybody. It's Marguerite Ashton here. I'm building dollhouses from scratch. And I want to do this quick video real quick because in the video that's included after this, you're going to hear sanding and stuff like that. So I thought this 101 would not include, there's also one other video, actually the one just before this, that I posted that there is no voiceover, and I think I speak just for like a couple of minutes nearing the end. But in this one, there's actually no voiceover and no discussion during the 101. I thought it would be easier to watch. I am sanding out the rough spots, feeling for smooth edges. What else? On the Housebody, I do have it where it is tilted, and so that I can get underneath of just before it would to sit upright, which I then had to use, I used my husband's level, but I did finally have decided to order my own, so that is on the way. But it is important to use the level because I wanted to make sure that it was even. So once I stand the Housebody upright, you'll see that in one of the still photos. What else? You're also going to see that there are 3 pieces on there, including it is the right front. This one here is the tower front. So that one, this one here, I will be putting on next. So it's a real quick, I think it's like 5 minutes or something, but feel free to just skim through what it is that you want to see. And I hope that it is helpful in some way. So we're going to go ahead and take a look and let me know what you think in the comments. Have a good day. Here is where I used the level to make sure it was even. And here you can see the masking tape being used for the glue joints with the right front.